there, everybody. Happy Friday. It's a beautiful day. Good temperatures, sunny skies, a few designer clouds around. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day today. So, what are the three things we were going to talk about today? First of all, I know I'm sounding like a broken record because every week we talk about rainfall and watering your plants. And it's not any different. We're 11 inches behind average for March until to date. And your plants, especially if you're planting things now in the dry soil, they're going to need a good soak once a week until the ground freezes. And we keep saying this not because we want you to like drag out the hoses every week, but because I don't want to have you guys disappointed when things that you planted this year don't come back next spring. So please keep those hoses out, get your sprinklers out this weekend. If we don't get a good soaking rain every week, make sure that you water your plants. And that's trees, shrubs, perennials, the whole shebang. So we've talked about events, and we have one of our first holiday events. I know, we start holiday early here at the Bruce Company. It takes a long time to get it set up, but we have our collectors event, and that is Thursday the 16th from 1 until 6. And basically what it is a little sneak peek or an early preview of some of the new things that we consider collectors. So we're talking about things like Old World Christmas, Ingeglass, the German nutcrackers, and music boxes and smokers and candle pyramids, and that stuff is all set up. So you can come on and into the store and take a look, or if you wait until Thursday, we will have lots of staff there to help you. We can answer questions about our plans for holiday decorating this year. And Nothing Bundt Cakes will be here with some festively flavored buntinis and coupons. So if you are a Christmas aficionado, stop by and take a look and see what's new in the area of collectibles. Also, now that it is past Labor Day, we have things on sale. So trees, shrubs, and evergreens, you can save 30% on anything in stock. And perennials are also on sale now, 20% on any perennials in stock, although that does not include the garden mums, the fall flowering mums, or the flowering fall asters. Those are exempt from the sale. So it's a great time to come out to the garden center, do a little bit of work. I know it's going to be hot tomorrow, but it's going to be beautiful again on Sunday. And you can stop in, take a look at Christmas, take a look at some plants for your yard, and you can save. And also you can pick up some great fall color. We've got kale, we've got ornamental grasses. Of course, we've got mums, and also we've got bulbs have started to come in, so you can start getting your planning for next spring's bulb display. You all have a great weekend and happy gardening from all of us here at the Bruce Company.